Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying power and communications. First, confirm battery voltage is at least 24V and fuel above 25%. These keep modules awake. Next, plug the JLG service tool into the CAN Diagnostic port, use the 6-spin harness when applicable, then launch the software. Once connected, switch the machine into service mode so you can read live data and stored faults. This is critical because live values show failing sensors versus transient errors, and you'll want a snapshot before clearing anything. Now you dig into live data and trends. Open the parameter list and monitor engine RPM, oil pressure, hydraulic temperatures, and boom position sensors in real time. Compare each reading to spec and mark any value more than 10% out of range. Once done, enable graph or log mode and record for 10 to 15 minutes while you cycle the boom through its range. This catches intermittent faults. Make sure to save the log file for review and for technician notes or parts ordering. Finish by addressing codes and producing a clear report. First, clear non-repeating fault codes and run a short functional test cycle to confirm faults do not return. Next, export the diagnostic report, include timestamp logs, and record any suggested part numbers or calibrations. If a fault persists, troubleshoot connectors and wiring. Inspect CAN continuity and verify clean, tight grounds, because 80% of lingering errors are poor connections. If needed, repeat live logging after each.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.